Hello class 6. Welcome to BBC Compactor, module number 6. The topic is conjunctions. Dear students, today we'll do conjunctions. Dear children, you know that a conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases or sentences. It does not perform any other function. It is different from relative pronouns, relative adverb, and preposition, which too are joining words which also affect other aspects of speech, right? So here we have an example of a relative pronoun that this is the house that my father built. Here, that is not a conjunction, although it is connecting, it is joining two parts. Like, this is the house that my father built. That is determining a house, which is a noun. And children, you know that relative pronoun determines a noun, right? Now, coming on to second example, that is, this is a school where we studied. Here, where is a relative adverb. Where is a relative adverb because it modifies the verb which is studied. Then we have Rohan stood behind me. Here, behind is a preposition because it is showing the position where Rohan is standing, right? Now, conjunctions, coming on to conjunctions, they are of three types, three classes. One is coordinating conjunction, second is correlative conjunction, and third is subordinating conjunctions. We'll do them in detail. See, first one are coordinating conjunctions, which we have been doing since class 3. In class 3 also you did, in class 4 also you did, in class 5 also you did, and now in class 6 also we are doing, and we are reaching a little higher level for these conjunctions like and, or, but, because, so, otherwise, nor, neither, either. They are taken as coordinating conjunctions when they join the same type of grammatical units like noun joining with noun, adjective with adjective, phrase with phrase, and clause with clause. They are used to form compound sentences like many men and women came to see the fair. Here, men and women both are nouns. An and conjunction is joining the noun. Second, I wrote to him, but he did not reply. There's a contrast. But is expressing a contrast here. Then his condition became bad, so he was taken to the hospital. Now, so expresses inference. Inference means क्या है? इसलिए ऐसा किया गया. Now, you should hire a taxi, otherwise you will not reach in time. Here's an alternative. Otherwise is an alternative given a choice. So this you have been doing since class 3, 4 and 5. Now children, the complex thing in class 6 which we are going to do is correlative conjunctions. I have written something here which I expect you also to write. Children, correlative conjunctions are like both and, either or, neither nor, though yet, not only but also, so that, hardly, when, whether, or, sooner than. These are the conjunctions which are used in pairs, right? They're used in pairs. The correlated words are placed immediately before the words to be connected. जो words connect करने हैं उनसे पहले और दोनों के बीच में the other conjunction is placed. These conjunctions work in pairs to correlate two parts of a sentence. ये sentence के दो parts को correlate कर देते हैं, which is of equal importance. They connect singular subjects with singular verb and plural subjects with plural verb. I show you the examples here. See, he is both rich and generous. Now, the conjunction is placed between two objects of a same subject. Subject is one only. Subject is he only, right? Subject is he, and it has two objects, generous and rich. And these two conjunctions, correlated conjunctions, they are joining these two objects of the same subject. Right? Now, second, either eat or place it in the fridge. Now, here, either and or, it is used for positive statements of equal importance. So, eating and placing in the fridge has equal importance. So, they are correlate. They are used, correlating conjunctions are used to join these two statements of equal importance. Then he can neither read nor write. Now here negative statements of equal importance for same subject. Right? Now we have he not only smokes but drinks also. Two possibilities are present there. Two qualities, or you can say possibilities, or two situations. Two things are there. Not only smokes but also drinks. दोनों चीजें present है. Two verbs you can say. Two verbs are joined. Not only but also, using not only and but also. Now, though he is rich, he is not happy. He is a contrast. Contrast के लिए we can simply use the coordinating conjunction also. But he is rich but not happy. Right? But when we have to use the correlating conjunctions, we have to use like this. Though he is rich, yet he is not happy. Is a contrast. Now, he spoke so loudly that everyone was surprised. Now, effect of first action on the second action. He spoke so loudly. इतना जोर से बोला that everyone was surprised. Now, we will do this one first. After that, we'll do these two. I do not care whether he attends the function or not. Two possible actions are there. Right? This depending upon these two, he's not bothered whether he attends the function or not. He can be bothered also. This depends on these two things, whether or not, whether he attains the function or not. Though possible actions are there. Now coming on to hardly when and no sooner than. These two are similar. कहीं पर अगर आपको बताया जाए कि use for these two, joining these two sentences, use either of them, तो either of them can use. क्योंकि because meaning इन दोनों का सेम है. Hardly had he gone out when it started raining. अभी वो बाहर ही गया था कि बारिश होनी शुरू हो गई. मीनिंग आप दोनों को जब भी दोनों कोरिलेटिंग कंजंक्शंस लेकर के जब भी कोई भी टू सेंटेंसेस ज्वाइन करोगे, सेंटेंसेस ऑलमोस्ट सेम होंगे. कोई भी कंजंक्शन, कोई भी कोरिलेटेड कंजंक्शन कहीं पर भी यूज हो सकती है. राइट? सी हार्डली हैड ही गॉन आउट व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग. जैसे ही वो बाहर निकला बारिश शुरू हो गई. नो सूनर डिड आई रीच द स्टेशन देन द ट्रेन स्टार्टेड. मतलब कि अभी मैं स्टेशन पर पहुंचा ही था कि ट्रेन चल पड़ी. तो मतलब कि सिचुएशन सेम रहती है. कोरिलेटिंग कंजंक्शन ये वाली यहां भी लग सकती है, ये वाली यहां भी लग सकती है. राइट? बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू? द डिफरेंस इज दिस. जब हम हार्डली यूज करते हैं वी हैव टू यूज हैड, एंड हैड इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. जब हार्डली वाली यूज करते हैं वी हैव टू यूज हैड, एंड हैड इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. जब हम नो सूनर वाली यूज करते हैं वी ऑलवेज यूज डिड, एंड डिड इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. सेकेंड पार्ट में जो वर्ब है वो हमेशा सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ही रहती है. राइट? कोई भी यूज कर ले. डिफरेंस सिर्फ यहां आता है. हार्डली के साथ वी हैव टू यूज हैड फॉलोड बाय थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. नो सूनर के साथ वी हैव टू यूज डिड फॉलोड बाय first form of the verb. This is what you have to keep in mind. Right? Now, I just want to give you a little tip when you are using correlating conjunctions. See, subject verb should match. with each other. If singular subject is there, singular verb should be there. If plural subject is there, plural verb should be there. If multiple subjects are there, एक से ज़्यादा subjects हैं, तो match the verb with the closer one. जो closer subject होता है, उसके साथ match करो. Right? When we'll do the examples, exercises, it will be more clear. And here, for no sooner and hardly, I have given you same. They are same, but their partner use should be correct. Hardly के साथ आप कहीं गलती से than मत यूज कर देना. No sooner के साथ गलती से when मत यूज कर देना. Hardly के साथ में हमेशा से you have to use when, and no sooner के साथ you always have to use than. Right? Now, come on to subordinating conjunctions. See, subordinating conjunctions are though, although, since, after, till, until, as, because, before, if, while, when, whether, less, as if, as soon as long as though, then. ये अकेले ही यूज होते हैं. They are not dependent on any other conjunction. They join a subordinating clause to a principal clause. आपको ये language समझ में नहीं आएगी. Right? Let us directly come on to the examples. They will help you. Stay here till I come back. Now here till refers to time. जब तक मैं नहीं आ जाता. He came sooner than we expected. Comparison हो गया. वो जल्दी आ गया. Expect करने से पहले ही. यहाँ पर than से comparison हो गया. He left the room as you entered. जैसे ही तुम अंदर आए वो बाहर चला गया. Reason means तुम्हारे अंदर आने के कारण वो बाहर चला गया. As is used for reason also. You will be punished if you don't mend your ways. If used for condition. The mother held the baby firmly lest it should not fall. Purpose है. Lest means purpose है ताकि वो नीचे गिरे ना. She was so happy that she started jumping. Now that is the consequence. The result है. इतनी खुश थी कि वो jump करने लग गई. Right? Subordinating conjunctions can sometimes be placed in the beginning of the sentence also, like though he is ill, he attended the meeting. Shows concession, मतलब कि बीमार होने के बावजूद भी उसने meeting attend की. Children, some words are used both as conjunction as well as preposition. Like since. We have not met since March. ये preposition of time हो गया. लेकिन we shall meet since you wish so. क्योंकि तुमने चाहा था. यहाँ पर reason है. जहाँ पर reason आ जाता है, that is a conjunction. Time आ जाए तो वो preposition हो जाती है. Tom cat ran after Jerry mouse. This is preposition of place. Now, the guest arrived after the host had left. दो actions हो गए. Guest आए, host चले गए. ठीक है. So it is a joining two simple sentences. A simple way to differentiate between a preposition and conjunction is to remove it from the sentence. Sentence में से निकाल दो. If two independent sentences will still exist, the word is a conjunction. अगर दोनों अलग अलग sentences आपको दिख रहे हैं, meaning है दोनों का, तो it is a conjunction. अगर उसको remove करने से उसका meaning ही खत्म हो जाता है sentence का, तो then it is a preposition. Hope you have understood this. This was the first part of your conjunctions. Children, please go through it twice and thrice so that we can do the exercise part easily. Right? Okay, goodbye children and have a nice day.